Good day, children. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the exercise problems in chapter 10, money. Okay, in exercise 1, in each case, make rupees 10 using rupee 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5 coins. Use only the number of coins shown. So you should only use these 3 coins, okay? And this much number of coins only you should use. In that, you have to use these 3 coins and that should add up to make 10. Okay, understood? These 3 coins only you should use. This much coins only you should use, okay, for each one. And that should add up to make 10. Okay, let's see. First, it should add up to make 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4 coins I can use. It should add up to 10. So I'll choose 5. Rupee 5. I'll choose a 2. One more 2 and 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Like that you have to count. Okay, now only 2 coins I have to use, but I should get 10. If I use this 1 and 2, I will not get 10. So I choose 5. Okay. So I use 2 5 rupee coins, which will add up to become 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here we are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. In that, if I use 5, it will become more. Okay, more than 10 I'll get. So I'll neglect this and use only 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coins. Okay. Okay, like this we'll use. Okay. So 2 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So I am also having here 3, so I'll use the same number, okay. 2, 2, 1. So 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is 5. This is also 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Here, this will become 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, okay. This is how you should use the coins to make the amount we need. Make the amount. We will not mostly will be having this exact amount. We'll have to make the amount and give it to the to buy things to the shopkeepers. So you should know to make the value. Okay. Now write the amount of money. Write the amount of money. I think you have seen this in grade 1 also, right? Just count the amount. You have just count the value in the notes. 5 plus 5. This is 5 rupee notes. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, I am having 450 paise. You know that 250 paise make 1 rupee. So 450 paise will make 2 rupee. That is, this 2 will make 1 rupee. This 2 will make 1 rupee. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This is adding tens. You know, adding tens is really easy, right? You've already learned in grade 1. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. Just add the value imprinted in the notes. The values of coins and notes will be imprinted in them. You just have to see that is the value of the notes or coins. You just have to add it. Okay, here 2 50 rupee notes. So 50 plus 50 is 100. Okay. Okay, in this sum, match the correct amount of money with the price tag. Okay, they have given you the amount and the things with the price tag they have kept. So you just have to add it and match it correctly with the thing you are using it to buy. Okay, 20 plus 20 is 40, 40 plus 20 is 60, 60 plus 2 is 62. Where is 62? Here. So you are using this amount to buy the car. Okay. 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. Where is 25? Ice cream. So we are using this amount to buy an ice cream. Here, 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 2, 70, 77. Okay, 75 plus 2, 77. So we are buying the glass. Okay, here you are having 50, 2 1 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coins. Two 2 rupee and 1 rupee will make 5 rupees. So 50 plus 5 is 55. So I am using that to buy a t-shirt. Okay. Now the last one. 100 rupees to 10 rupees. 100 plus 10, 110. 110 plus 10, 120. I am using that to buy a mouse. Okay. Now we are going to see addition of money. Addition of money. The addition is the same concept what you do. Okay. Generally what addition you are doing. The same thing. But here the symbol is there. It is just an amount. Okay. If you don't put the symbol, it's just a number. So just add as it is a number and just put this symbol. Okay. It will just give you the amount you need. Okay. You just sometimes you'll be buying one or more than one thing in a shop. So you should know to add and give the value. Add the two amount and give the value. Okay. Let's see that. See, I am buying a toy for rupees 15 and an ice cream for 16. So I should know, at least I should come and tell my mother, right, this much money I have spent. Definitely my mother will ask, right? Your mother also will ask, right? Yes, definitely. So now we'll see. We should add, write the numbers separately, okay? I've told you, right, the same rule you have to follow, what you follow for addition, okay? 15. 1 tens and 5 ones, 16 1 tens and 6 ones. Write it separately in the correct place and add. First add the ones. 6 plus 5 is 11. So you put 1 here, you put 1 as a carryover. Now add all the tens. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you are spending total 31 rupees. To buy these two things, you are spending 31 rupees. Okay. Okay, what are the notes you will use? I can use 3 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee notes, or 20 rupee note and 1 10 rupee note and 1 rupee note. Okay, I want you to sit at home and do this activity of keeping a thing and ask your parents to fix the amount for that, and you choose the amount what you have to pay for that. Okay, do it like a game or an activity, so it will be, you will start understanding the value of money and you will know to add or subtract. Everything you will be learning in a playway method. Okay children. Okay, we'll just do one example here. Okay, so I'm going to buy a ball and a chocolate. Okay, my mother is giving me this amount with me. I have to pick the amount. Okay, first I'll add and I'll pick the amount what I have to pay. So ball is 18 rupees. So 1 tens, 8 ones. Chocolate is 14. So 1 tens, 4 ones. I'm going to add. So I'll put the addition symbol. So this is must. Okay. And now 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 ones, 1 tens. So 3. So the total is 32 rupees. Symbol is important. Okay, so I am having 120, 2 tens and 2 rupee. What are the coins I'll use? Should I give all the coins? No, I have to choose the correct amount, 32 rupees. Pick from here and give it to the shopkeeper. Okay, 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So I'll use these 3 coins. This is not needed, this is extra, I'll keep it. Okay, we'll buy some other thing. Okay. Okay, like this you have to pick the things and know to find out the amount. Okay, now we'll see this addition sum. Bhavesh paid 20 rupees for bread. So he's paying 20 rupees for bread. 10 rupees for a packet of biscuit. So he's paying 10 rupees for a packet of biscuit. How much did he spend in all? So I have to add. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. So Bhavesh spent 30 rupees. In the first exercise 2 first sum you saw how to total up. The same thing we are going to do here. Okay, we are going to total up, and that is add and find out the amount you are spending. Now we are going to see subtraction of money. See, when we go to a shop, every time it's not necessary that we will have the correct amount we have to pay. Sometimes we'll be having more. That time the money the shopkeeper returns to you is called change. Okay, whatever is the balance, he'll take the amount is required, that is the cost of the thing you're buying, and then he will return back the money. Remaining money. Okay, that's called change. The money the shopkeeper returns to you is called the change. Okay, now let's take, for example, this pen costs 15 rupees. 15 rupees, but I'm having only 20 rupees. I'm having only 20 rupees. What will the shopkeeper do? I can't give that whole 20 rupees to him because only the pen costs only 15 rupees. So the shopkeeper will take the 15 rupees and he will return back the balance amount, the change, as 5 rupees. Okay, so how we will find out? The amount you're giving is 20. The cost of the thing is 15. Cost of the thing is 15. So 20 minus 15. You should write like, that is 20. What you gave. The cost of the thing is 15. So 20 minus 15 is, you're getting 5. This is the balance amount you get back from the shopkeeper. Okay. This is how we find the balance amount. Okay. So here you are applying subtraction. Okay. Okay, now we'll see few problems so that you'll understand the concept. Okay, we'll see this sum. Okay, find the change each child gets from the shopkeeper. So we are going to see a girl going to buy a pen. Okay, the cost of the pen is rupees 55. The cost of the pen is rupees 55. Okay, Manav gives rupees 70. He buys a pen. What is the change Manav gets back? Okay, what is the cost of the pen we saw? It is rupees 55. The cost of the pen is rupees 55. Okay, so he is giving rupees 70. That you should write on the top. What he gives is written on the top. What is the cost of the thing? 55. 5 tens and 5 ones. You are doing subtraction. Okay, to get the amount. Okay, now do the subtraction. I am regrouping. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So change Manav gets back is rupees. You have to put this symbol. Okay, rupees 15. Rupees 15. Okay. Now we'll solve the subtraction stories. We'll just solve one thing. Okay. Salim had rupees 50. He bought a balloon for rupees 10. How much money is left with him? Okay. He's having 50 rupees. Okay. He bought only a balloon which cost rupees 10. What is the balance he is having? So first you have to write this amount. Rupees 50. What he's buying? He's buying a balloon for rupees 10. What you're going to perform? You're going to perform subtraction. Okay. So the answer is 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. The money left with Salim is rupees 40. So this is how you find out the balance amount you have, or the balance amount the shopkeeper has to give you. Okay. Okay, we'll see one more sum. See, we'll see this sum. This is little different. Okay. See, John bought a notebook and a pencil for rupees 45. The price of a notebook was rupees 36. What was the price of the pencil? See, he's giving totally 45 rupees for a notebook and a pencil. And you know the cost of the notebook, that is rupees 36. You have to find the cost of the pencil. So the total amount minus the amount of one thing will give you the amount of the unknown thing. Okay. So the total cost you write on the top, and cost of one thing, that is rupees 36. If you subtract, you will get the cost of the other thing, the unknown thing, the pencil cost. Okay. So you cannot subtract, so you regroup. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the price of the pencil is 9 rupees, 9. So if we add these two numbers, amount, you should get this amount, total amount. Okay, 36 plus 9 is 45. So to check the answer, you can do like this. If you add this, you should get this. Okay, if you add these two numbers, you should get the total amount. Then only the answer is correct. Okay, children. Okay, we'll see this one sum. Okay, couple went to a grocery shop. He bought 1 loaf of bread for ₹20 and 6 eggs for ₹24. He gave a 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper. What change did he get back? Okay, he's giving 100 rupees. But he's buying two things. For bread for 20 rupees and eggs for 24 rupees. So first you should find the total of these two things. First you have to add the things you bought. 20 plus 24. If you add, you will get 44. This is the amount you are spending. Okay. Total amount is ₹44. So you are totally spending 44 rupees. Okay. To buy a loaf of bread and 6 eggs. Now he has given 100 rupees. He is giving 100 rupees. And you should know what change he is getting back. So you should subtract the total amount. The total amount is giving. This is the total amount it cost him. Okay. You're going to perform subtraction. In this sum, addition and subtraction both you are performing. Okay. Addition is performed to know the total amount spent. Subtraction is performed to find out the change he is getting back. Okay. So we'll regroup. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the amount he gets back as change is ₹56. Okay, children. So these kind of sums also will come. Okay. So here you have to perform addition to find out the total cost you are spending, and then subtract that amount from the total amount you are giving. The amount you are giving, and find out the change you are getting back. Okay. Okay, children, I want to try out all the sums in the content book and practice more. Okay. Thank you, children.